Hammond Manufacturing's 1457 series are small, extruded aluminum enclosures with IP65 sealed, die-cast aluminum end panels for use in wet and dusty environments. The 1457 series can be used to house small electrical or pneumatic components and has internal slots for mounting PCBs in the body of the case. The enclosures are sealed with O-ring screw seals and closed-cell polyethylene sealing gaskets, and are available with integral flanges on the end panels to simplify mounting. Hammond Manufacturing offers the enclosures with a clear anodized finish or black powder coat finish for resistance to wear and tear. The 1457 series enclosures are available in a range of sizes, with the largest able to accept a standard 160mm by 100mm Euro card.